Welcome guys, this is Dark Skull here, and today I am actually gonna just, damn, it's monsters nearby. I was gonna sleep, yeah, but this is Dark Skull here, and this is episode 2 of my Survivor series. Well, should be, I think. Die. That's only one. It's only one. Yeah, well, let's go to sleep now. Thought I just saw a creeper, but I'm gonna go back in because I hate the night. Thank you. So, yeah, I just finished my series 3, episode 5 of my Doctor Who roleplay. Well, I haven't just finished uploading, because I can't really upload videos that's longer than 15 minutes, because I'm not, I'm only a kid. I'm only a kid. Bo-shaka. Bo-shaka-laka. Skeleton. How? Yes, die. Ow. I feel like drowning, but I can't. Ow! You idiot! Bones! 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 One bone, and I'm gonna die! No. Yeah, sorry guys, it's, I got my tablet, and it's pretty annoying. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to shore and then I'm gonna sort my tablet. Because I have to hold it between my legs. So annoying. There we go. Kind of better. Nope. So not better. Ah, my lordy dordy. Hey, my cat. This is wasting my YouTube video now. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. That's better. Because I know you don't want to see my, pajama bottoms in the video all day. Puppy, puppy, dog, 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 come. Well, I got to feed you all, haven't I? You want feeding? Who wants feeding? You and you. Yeah, I'm gonna let those two breed and, give a puppy some. Wait, what? Did I just... Hold on a sec, I'm just gonna see if there's any more food in my chest. Wow. Wait, one pork chop. Where is everyone? On you. Oh, I've wasted all my food. I'm starving to death. Lord, save me. 'Cause I need food. Pig. I need to eat this pork chop. If I can get mutton off this sheep. Yeah, hold on, I'll be back. And I am back, guys. So, yeah. I've got to go mining. Oh yeah, I gotta put my dogs, you know, in case they die. I can't have all of them dying, so otherwise I'll have to put gravestones. Ah, Lord. You sit down. You. No, sit. I'll have to push you all in. Puppy. Yeah, sit. And push. Push. I'll kill you in a minute, but I don't want to. OMG, I just saw you grow. Guys, did you see that? Lordy, I'm going crazy now. Did you just see my dog grow up from a pup form? Lordy. I think it's one more pup. Yeah, one more pup. Really need to get like pork chops and stuff. Why did I wait? There's water nearby, so yeah. I won't even care if I waste my. Wait, just keep inventory on, yes. I don't think I've fed my pup, because the other two grew. And this one isn't. Yeah, I'll be back now, guys. And I am back, guys. Now I got a stack of pork chops just to feed this little guy. If it doesn't work now, I'll be mad. And it's a stack of cooked pork chops. He's an adult. Hold on. Follow me. Dude. Another pup. Sit. Gosh. Sit. Oh my. Hold on. If I get leads, I get a stack of leads. And a single fence. Wait, hold on. My baby pups will go there and adults will go on another one. And blah. Adult. Sit. Adult. There. Sit. You're sat. Adult and adult. Wait, hold on. Ow! Hold on. Peaceful right now. Get there now and set. In there. I need a bigger dog pen, don't I? Gosh. Up. Up. And up. 1, 2, 3. Go over here. In. Sit. Set. Oh, sorry guys, you can't see the canoe. I'm just too concentrated on this. Trying to get these safe. Well, sorry, I've wasted a bit of time. Oh, cow, get a pet. If I can get another cow, I can breed cows as well. Ow! Gosh. Switched to offline game. Hate it when it does that. And I got a cow. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and goodbye.